Grade 7, Chapter 6, Tinkercad for Arduino, Lesson 3. In this third lesson, you will get introduced to the breadboard in order to create an Arduino circuit with 2 LEDs. We will start by moving a breadboard on the stage. It is clear that it is divided into 4 main sections. Look at the upper and lower sections where the holes or the dots are connected horizontally. By placing the mouse on one of the holes, you can see that all the lines of the dots will be highlighted in green. This means that all the holes are connected. The same is applicable for the lower section. Examine the 2 internal sections. The holes are connected vertically. By placing the mouse on one of the holes, you can see that the column is highlighted in green. From now on, the breadboard will be used to extend an Arduino circuit by placing many electronic devices to create an advanced circuit for STEM projects. I will start my project on page 82 by placing 2 LEDs on the breadboard. I will connect the GND pin to the first row of the breadboard. From any of the holes of the first line, I will connect the 2 cathodes of the LEDs as shown. From digital pin 7, I connect the anode of the first LED. And from digital pin 3, I use a wire to connect the anode of the second LED. Examine the script built on page 83 to make the 2 LEDs on pin 7 and pin 3 blink at the same time. You can create another script in order to make the 2 LEDs blink in a reverse way. By the end of this lesson, you are asked to create a new circuit to control 2 LEDs. Once the first project is done, move a piezo to start reproducing sounds and connect it to the breadboard as shown on page 83. Build the script to make the built-in LED on the board and the piezo function at the same time. At the end of this lesson, I will show you a real Arduino project in action, similar to the one you did in Tinkercad. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on our social media platforms to stay connected.